Is your Porsche Macan or Cayenne key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This video will guide you through a simple DIY replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, the standard for these fobs. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Avoid metal tools to prevent scratches on your key fob. First, locate the small seam on the edge of your key fob, usually between the key blade and the remote buttons. This is where you'll insert your pry tool. Gently insert your pry tool into the seam and twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic clips can break. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive side's orientation. The positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity. Make sure the positive side faces up, just like the old one. Firmly snap the case back together. Test the buttons to confirm the key fob is working properly.